Hello there folks, and welcome to Chris Hall Motorcycles in Doncaster, and welcome to our channel. Absolute gem of a bike for you. This is a bike I had 6 to 8 months ago, sold it to the customer, and unfortunately we've got it back. So round 2 on this one. So if it looks familiar and if you're an OG subscriber and you've seen this one before, you have. Gentlemen's circumstances changed anyway. So what do I have in front of us today? I've got the absolutely outstanding 1972 Kawasaki S2 350, and this bike is absolutely beautiful. We're going to have a walk around, we're going to have a start up. I will absorb and smell the 2-stroke, and I wish I could send it down the old tube for you guys to absorb as well. So yes, without further ado folks, let's get straight into this work of art and have a walk around this bike. First of all, I'm going to say the bike's absolutely immaculate. It really is. It's absolute credit to the guy that built it, restored it, whatever you want to call it, but it's absolutely beautiful. It really is. Tyres are brand new. They might have done 50 mile on the road. The seat is all gorgeous, but check this out. Let me just open this seat up if I can do. I'm trying to do everything one-handed, but just look at that. You've got the toolkit back here, all under the seat. You've got the spare plugs, and if any of you 2-stroke owners are out there, old school owners, you'll fully understand all this. So you've got the plugs there, brand new battery, all the wiring's absolutely lovely and neat. Yeah, this is a nice, lovely bike. So all we're going to do is have a nice walk around, look at the condition of it, have a start up. The chrome's gorgeous. Yeah, someone has put some real wrench time into this bike. The colour on the tank. Clocks are showing 19 miles. Which I believe is probably what it's done since full resto. But a bike that's 52 years old? I should know, same age as me this. So yeah, 1972, good year. But even down to the look at that. How nice a bike is that, folks? Okay, so just going to try and do a startup now for you guys. So I'm going to have to put the camera in my left hand. This is I've already turned the fuel tap, so I am prepared. So I'm just going to transfer hands and let's see if we can have a startup. Hold on. So this is the 1972 Kawasaki S2 350 startup. One kick. Absolutely beautiful. How good does that sound? Oh, hold on, I'm just going to immerse myself in some of this smoke for a second. I'm sure it's no good for my lungs, but oh my god, it smells beautiful. And I think we'll just turn that tap off while I remember. There we go. But yes, look at that. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So crisp. So yeah, that's the 1972 Kawasaki 350 S2, folks. Starts first kick, sounds beautiful, smells even better. So on this bike, I can offer finance on this vehicle. Give me a call on that one. I can offer nationwide or international delivery if required. Consider a part exchange. If you've got a newer bike that you want to part X or anything like that, no problem at all, give us a try. Obviously, if you want to know how much this particular vehicle is, there is a description below which contains a price and also a link to our website where you'll find, I don't know, a dozen or more photos in high definition of this particular vehicle. Now, if you've got any questions on this bike or anything like that, you can give me a call on 01302 760 967, or you can email me, chrishullmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Alternatively, if you want to come down and view this bike in person, you're more than welcome. At any given time, we've probably got anywhere between 90 and 100 classic bikes in stock. But if you're coming to look at something specific, as always, give me a call before you set off to make sure the bike is in stock and available. That is an absolute gem of a bike. It really is. So don't forget, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and tick that bell for notification for us, folks. And if you're passing Doncaster, the kettle is usually on. Pop in for a brew, come and say hello. And other than that, thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you all very soon, and take it easy. Cheers.